Hey friends, in today's video we are diving into the world of WWE and AEW female wrestlers. We will uncover their real names, explore how long they have been wrestling, current ages, and even take a look at pictures of their fathers. Get ready for an exciting journey through their careers. Let's begin. Number 1. Rhea Ripley. Rhea Ripley, born Tammy Bennett, has been the part of the wrestling world for 11 years. In 2025, she is 28 years old. Here is a picture of her father. Number 2. Carmella. Carmella, whose real name is Leah Vantal, has been in wrestling for a decade. As of today, she is 37 years old. This is her father's picture. Number 3. Chelsea Green. Chelsea Green, originally named Chelsea Ann Cardona, has been wrestling for 10 years. Currently, she is 33 years old. Here is an image of her father. Number 4. Bayley. Bayley, whose birth name is Pamela Rose Martinez, has competed in wrestling for 16 years. She is now 35 years old. Take a look at her father's picture. Number 5. Sasha Banks. Sasha Banks, born Mercedes Justin Casnavernado, has been in the wrestling industry for 14 years. She is 33 years old in 2025. Here is a photograph of her father. Number 6. Bianca Belair. Bianca Belair, whose real name is Bianca Nicole Blair Crawford, has been active in industry for 8 years. She is currently 35 years old. This is her father's picture. Number 7. Trish Stratus. Trish Stratus, born Patricia Ann Strategius, has an impressive 24-year wrestling career. As of 2025, she is 49 years old. Take a look at her father's photograph. Number 8. Maryse. Maryse, whose real name is Maryse Mizanin, has been in wrestling for 19 years. She is presently 42 years old. Here is a picture of her father. Number 9. Naomi. Naomi, born Trinity Fatu, has spent 15 years in the wrestling business. She is 37 years old in 2025. This is her father's photograph. Number 10. Alexa Bliss. Alexa Bliss, originally named Alexis Cabrera, has a wrestling career spanning 11 years. She is 33 years old as of today. Take a look at her father's picture. Number 11. Alicia Fox. Alicia Fox, whose real name is Victoria Elizabeth Crawford, has been involved in wrestling for 19 years. She is currently 38 years old. Here is an image of her father. Number 12. Elektra Love. Elektra Love, born Carissa Rivera, has been in wrestling for 7 years. She is 32 years old in 2025. Here is a photograph of her father. Number 13. Ronda Rousey. Ronda, whose birth name is Ronda Jean Rousey, has been wrestling for 6 years. She is now 38 years old. This is her father's picture. Number 14. Paige. Paige, originally named Saraya Jet Pavis, has spent 18 years in wrestling. She is 32 years old as of today. Take a look at her father's picture. Number 15. Natalia. Natalia, born Natalie Catherine Neidhart Wilson, has a wrestling career spanning 25 years. She is currently 42 years old. Here is a picture of her father. Number 16. Stephanie McMahon. Stephanie McMahon, whose real name is Stephanie Mary McMahon Lavis, has been in wrestling for 3 years. As of 2025, she is 48 years old. This is her father's photograph. Number 17. Candice LeRae. Candice LeRae, born Candice LeRae Dawson, has competed in wrestling for 3 years. She is now 39 years old. Take a look at her father's picture. Number 18. Nikki Bella. Nikki Bella, whose real name is Stephanie Nicole Garcia-Colas, has been in wrestling for 3 years. She is 41 years old in 2025. Here is an image of her father. Number 19. Tamina Snuka. Tamina Snuka, originally named Sarona Mona Mary Rehar Snuka Palamalu, has a 15-year wrestling career. She is currently 47 years old. This is her father's picture. Number 20. Sonia Deville. Sonia Deville, born Daria Rai Barinato, has been in the wrestling industry for 9 years. As of today, she is 31 years old. Here is a picture of her father. Number 21. Renee Young. Renee Young, whose real name is Renee Jen Paquette, has been part of wrestling for 13 years. She is now 40 years old. Take a look at her father's photograph. Number 22. Maria Canales. Maria Canales, born Marie-Leos Maria Canales Panet, has spent 14 years in wrestling. She is 42 years old in 2025. Here is a picture of her father. Number 23. F. Torres. F. Torres, whose real name is F. Torres Cressy, has a 6 years wrestling career. She is currently 40 years old. This is her father's photograph. Number 24. Beth Phoenix. Beth Phoenix, originally named Elizabeth Copeland, has been wrestling for 11 years. She is now 44 years old. Here is an image of her father. Number 25. Michelle McCool. Michelle McCool, born Michelle Leclerc, has competed in wrestling for 6 years. She is 45 years old as of today. Take a look at her father's picture. Number 26. Stacy Keibler. Stacy Keibler, whose real name is Stacy Anne Marie Keibler, has spent 6 years in wrestling. She is now 45 years old. Here is a photograph of her father. Number 27. Mandy Rose. Mandy Rose, originally named Amanda Rose Sacamano, has been in wrestling for 6 years. She is 34 years old in 2025. This is her father's picture. Number 28. Zelina Vega. Zelina Vega, whose birth name is Thea Megan Trinidad Pigeon, has been active in wrestling for 15 years. She is currently 34 years old. Here is an image of her father. Number 29. Dana Brooke. Dana Brooke, born Ashley May Sabera, has a wrestling career spanning 10 years. She is 36 years old as of today. Take a look at her father's picture. Number 30. Shotzi Blackheart. Shotzi Blackheart, whose real name is Ashley Leos Alfaro, has spent 10 years in wrestling. She is currently 32 years old. This is her father's photograph. Number 31. Shayna Baszler. Shayna Baszler, born Shayna Andrea Baszler, has been part of the wrestling for 9 years. She is 44 years old in 2025. Here is a picture of her father. Number 32. Raquel Rodriguez. Raquel Rodriguez, originally named Victoria Gonzalez, has a wrestling career spanning 10 years. She is now 44 years old. Here is an image of her father. Number 33. Piper Niven. Piper Niven, whose real name is Kimberly Benson, has been in wrestling for 17 years. She is 33 years old as of today. This is her father's picture. Number 34. Nia Jax. Nia Jax, born Savelina Fannin, has been in the wrestling business for 9 years. She is now 40 years old. Take a look at her father's photograph. Number 35. Mia Yim. Mia Yim, originally named Stephanie Hamley, has been wrestling for 15 years. She is 35 years old in 2025. Here is an image of her father. Number 36. Maxine Dupree. Maxine Dupree, originally named Sydney Jeanette Zimmerzil, has been in the wrestling business for just 1 year. As of 2025, she is 27 years old. Here is a picture of her father. Number 37. Lilian Garcia. Lilian Garcia, whose real name is Lilian Annette Garcia, has had a remarkable 27-year career in wrestling. She is currently 58 years old. Here is an image of her father. Number 38. Ariana Grande. Ariana Grande, born Bianca Sofia Carelli, has spent 6 years in wrestling. At present, she is 27 years old. This is her father's picture. Number 39. Charlotte Flair. Charlotte Flair, whose real name is Ashley Elizabeth Flair, has been a competitor in wrestling for 12 years. As of today, she is 38 years old. Take a look at her father's photograph. Number 40. Ava Rennie. Ava Rennie, born Simone Garcia Johnson, is new to the wrestling industry with just 1 year of experience. She is 23 years old in 2025. Here is a photograph of her father. That's a wrap for today's video. We have explored the real names, careers and family backgrounds of some of the biggest female wrestlers in WWE and AEW. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Wrestle Series Comparison for more exciting wrestling content. See you in the next one.